There you go. And 90 pops on final 2-4 stop and go on San Bernardino. As we drop in here, you should see those lights start to turn to red. There's your first one. And landing light. Let's go ahead and flip that one on too. There you go. That gives you, see how that's gives you more focus light way out in front there. All right, looking good. There you go. Nice. You got it. Good.
Wow.
Now we're just going to slow down here. Come to a complete stop. I only have 8,000 feet left, so I'm kind of worried about this, but I think we'll be all right.